Hi there, welcome to the Stone Guru channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your sunglasses effectively. But before we get started, make sure you've hit subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other cleaning and stain removal tips that I have. So a lot of people don't realise that there's a very simple and quick way to effectively clean your sunglasses without risking smearing them or scratching them. So what you're going to need is a bowl of warm water, some washing up liquid, I tend to use Fairy, and a white microfibre cloth. So what I'm going to do first is get the washing up liquid and pour in a few drops, a little bit more, into the warm water. Then give it a mix around with your fingers and simply take the sunglasses and place them in the bowl. Give them a move around, and this is going to get rid of any of the dirt on your sunglasses. And then I'm going to take the microfibre cloth, place it in the water, give it a squeeze, take the sunglasses out, and very gently wipe the sunglasses with the microfibre cloth, which is going to pick up any of the dirt on the lenses. And then once you're confident that you've given them a good wipe, give the frames a good wipe, and then place the sunglasses back into the water. And then you're simply going to run the sunglasses under warm water. Just make sure the water's warm and not hot. And you will find that all the dirt that was on those lenses has been lifted. So, I hope you found that useful. Please feel free to leave any comments and give the video a like. Thanks very much.